If you've got the code F21 Whirlpool washer flashing at you, chances are you were just trying to get through one more load of laundry when everything came to a halt. Water in the drum, clothes soaked, and the machine refuses to budge. It's one of those moments where you stare at the control panel hoping it magically fixes itself. But let us take a step back and figure this out, because that little code is trying to tell you something important. The code F21 Whirlpool washer shows up when the machine takes too long to drain the water. And while that might sound serious, it's often something small you can fix without calling in backup. Unplug your washer from the wall for about 5 minutes. Then plug it back in, choose your cycle, and press start. Sometimes a simple reset is all your washer needs to get back to work. Switch to proper detergent. These are simple steps, and they work more often than you'd think. But at least now, you'll know exactly what to tell them, and maybe even what they'll fix. Think of it like your washer saying, "Hey, I'm still waiting for the water to go down. Any time now." If the hose looks okay, pull it off and run some water through it. You'd be surprised how often lint, coins, or even bits of clothing end up blocking it. That's usually hidden behind a small panel at the bottom front of your washer. Unscrew the cap and see what's inside. Socks, bobby pins, and buttons love to hide there. But here's where things get interesting, because there's one thing that almost everyone misses when trying to solve this problem, and it might be the exact reason your washer refuses to move forward. First things first, check the drain hose. Is it kinked or squished behind the machine? Even a small bend can slow down drainage. Next, take a look at the pump filter. Still seeing the error? Let's try a reset. If the washer is trying to rinse out mountains of bubbles from a nonny detergent, it's going to take longer, much longer. So make sure you're using high-efficiency detergent and not overloading it. A little goes a long way. And now back to that thing most people overlook. Many don't realize that using too much detergent or the wrong kind can actually mess with the drain cycle. So the next time the code F21 Whirlpool washer pops up, don't panic. Check the hose, clear the filter, try a reset. And if you've done all that and the code still won't go away, then it might be time to call in a technician.